Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Google Domain to Squarespace. Start by signing into both Google Domains and your Squarespace account, open the domain settings, and locate DNS or custom records. On Squarespace, find the Domain Connection panel and copy the required records and the CNAME record for the www subdomain. Keep both tabs open so you can paste values quickly and avoid typos while changing records. After copying the records, switch to Google Domains and choose DNS Management. Carefully add each record exactly as Squarespace lists, including every digit and period, then set standard TTLs. Next, create the www CNAME pointing to the Squarespace target and save. Double-check values to prevent downtime, and remember changes can take from minutes to a few hours to propagate, so be patient while the new records spread across the internet. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling great while you work on domains. It's a small pleasure during setup and makes those waiting minutes nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once DNS updates are saved, go back to Squarespace and trigger verification or refresh to let the platform detect the new records. If verification fails, open Google Domains and inspect each record for typos, extra spaces, or wrong host names. Use a DNS lookup tool to view current and CNAME values and confirm they point to Squarespace. If propagation delays persist, wait and recheck periodically because DNS changes often take time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.